Addis Ababa is one of the fastest growing African cities, which is also serving as a diplomatic and political center of the continent. As part of their efforts to facilitate its economic growth, Ethiopia has made this special place its financial district. The place, which covers the two localities of Addis Ababa, namely Behirawi and Sengatera, has been designated as the financial district of Addis Ababa and the nation at large. As you see behind me, a number of skyscrapers are mushrooming upward the sky, signifying the fastest growth of the city. Currently, 80% of head offices of financial institutions of the country operating in the capital, including banks and insurances, are headquartered here in this financial district.